I'm sure you've heard the news having a top-tier gaming PC is a game changer. Let's talk about the ultimate build for 2023 to 2024. Start with the brain of your beast, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X or Intel Core i5 13400F. Both pack a punch without emptying your wallet. Next, the graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti or AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. These GPUs will handle high settings from 1080p to 1440p beautifully. Pair them with motherboards like Asus TUF B650 Plus for AMD or MSI Mag B660M for Intel, Wi-Fi included of course. Don't forget 16 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz, perfect for smooth multitasking. For storage, grab a 1TB NVMe SSD like the WD Black SN850. Fast load times? Check. A 650W750W 80 Plus gold power supply ensures stability, and keep it cool with a Cooler Master Hyper 212 or Corsair H100i. Pop it all into a mid-tower ATX case like the NZXT H510 for style and airflow. Top it off with Windows 11 for optimized gaming. Budget ranges from $1,200 to $1,800. Ready to future-proof your gaming? Like and share for more.